Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Lola's Kitchen. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm glad that you are here. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and hit your ring bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Today we're going to be making Senegalese jollof rice in a 2 minutes long video. So please try to watch the video all the way before you go. Don't forget to comment on the video, please. And if you try it, you can always come back and comment. Let me know how you like it. So you will notice it's not me cooking, it's my friend who is from Senegal. So we're making authentic Senegalese jollof rice. As a Nigerian, we also have jollof rice, but let me tell you, Senegalese jollof rice is to another level. I don't know why people compare Senegalese jollof rice to Nigerian jollof rice. It's different. Let me be clear about that, honestly. So anyways, that is Parsley. I'll write down everything you need down below, so do check that. That way you can just see the exact everything we add and use in here. It's a very simple, easy, delicious recipe. Oh my god, it was so delicious. I'm gonna be honest with you. You need a good 2 hours, so that way you could just take your time and just make it right. I made it again like the same week. I had some friends coming over, so I made it and it took me a while. I was like, oh my god, it was kind of, just making it by myself, it was different, but it tastes the same. So I was very proud of myself to know that I learned the right way to make Senegalese jollof rice. So if you're from Senegal, comment, let me know. So that is the broken rice. It's so much better. It's the authentic way of making it with the broken rice. After she washed it really well, you have to see clear water, and then she poured it inside, and then she gave it like 10 minutes before we cover it. After that, we're all done. Enjoy. Bye bye.